Hi, in this video we're going to learn about introduction of threads in Java. So threads concept in Java. What is thread? Before introducing the thread concept, we were unable to run more than one task in parallel. It was a drawback, and to remove that drawback, thread concept was introduced. A thread is a very lightweight process, or we can say the smallest part of the process that allows a program to operate more efficiently by running multiple tasks similarly. So this is the thread model. In this we have new. New means ready to run. A thread is in new when it get CPU times and running. A thread in a running state when it comes under execution. So in this we have terminated. A thread comes in this state when at any given time it execute immediately. So in this we have two types of threading, multitasking and multi-threading. So difference between multitasking and multi-threading. Multitasking refer to computer ability to perform multi jobs concurrently. For example, your computer can run different process like you open Google Chrome, PDF, video. These are all different processor, and the ability of your computer to handle this different processes or different tasks is called multitasking. That means, for example, your computer is running in browser, and this is considered as a processor. Google Chrome is a program. So that is called multitasking. A thread in a single sequence of execution within a program. That is called multitasking. So next, multi-threading. Multi-threading refers to multiple threads of control within a single program. For example, multi-tabs on each program can run multi-threads control within a single program. So in this we have concurrent versus parallelization. So now we consider a concurrency. So now consider you have one CPU in your computer and you want to run two processor. Now how your CPU manages using concurrency. So your CPU allocate the priority to the processor, and whichever process have more than priority at given time interval, it will execute first and it utilize the full capacity on the CPU. So in this parallelism, for example, you have two CPU like this, and you want to run time two processor. You can run one processor at single CPU 1. So processor 2, CPU 2. This process are independent of each other. In case we can say this is called parallelism. So application of threads. So the JVM create a threads object whose task is defined by main method. As well as all known that whenever a Java program created it's run on the JVM, that means Java virtual machine. Whenever we execute the Java application, JVM create a thread object whose task is different by the main method. It starts the thread. So the threads execute the statement of program one by one until the method returns and threads die. So next, creating threads. There are two ways to create our own thread object. So in this we have subclass the thread class and implement the runnable interface. So one is subclass for thread. There is thread class in Java, and then there is interface called runnable. So we can implement in this in thread. So in this video we learn about threads. So in next video I am going to execute this too. Once again, in both case the run method should be implemented definitely. So this is called threads. So thanks for watching this video.